Hello, we are Team Rojo and we are going to talk about the importance of the human resources processes in the company. In this case, we are going to talk about the CEMEX, which is a really well-known Mexican company which distributes concrete and cement, and that's what we're going to talk about. Now we're going to talk about the recruitment process. It is about tasks and processes of identifying, vetting, and hiring the best possible candidates for open positions in an organization. It has different steps. The first one is to determine if we really need a new employee, then create the job and post it through the methods we're going to talk about later. Look for candidates and screen applications. Fourth step is conduct interviews, select the candidates, and make a job offer. And by methods, we have six here. The first one is direct advertising, then referrals, talent pools, promotions, events, and finally, rehiring.
A selection process, CEMEX seeks to make an in-depth analysis of each candidate to find the one that better suits the role. There are 6 steps in the selection process, but actually the first 3 steps are part of the recruitment process. To the actual selection process, the first step is assessments. In this step, the company applies English test, in addition to several study cases. Then we can move on to the next step, which is interview with human resources and the specialized area. In the interview with human resources, the candidate will be asked about their skills and work experience. Then they get called for a second interview with the manager of the area. The final step is the evaluation. In this step, the recruitment team will select the one that better suits the profile requirements.
Now, as for the employee placement, we know that CEMEX is a company that focuses on hiring people that can share their corporate vision. So after a selection is made, the company keeps on track the evaluation of the skills of the employee and decide on which tasks and which position fit them the most. This process is conformed by two main steps. The first one is that after the interviews are made by human resources, the person in charge of deciding the positions makes an evaluation of the employee's abilities. This can be either by a psychometric test or by handing out a study case to the employee. Then, the employee is guided to the area that fits them the most according to their abilities. And CEMEX has a vast range of areas in which the employees can develop professionally.
Talking about promotion, as in CEMEX, the work team is composed of professionals with diverse skills that help CEMEX to achieve its objectives. In return, CEMEX recognizes employees and is committed to providing them with an environment where they receive support and can grow professionally. Basically, employees can get a promotion through the different development programs and training courses that are available in the company. And within the compensations of getting a promotion are included higher salaries, better benefits, and more recognition.